We're gonna warm up our necks a little bit, okay? So we're gonna let our neck go forward and come back. Forward, come back. So we're doing these warm-ups in a Qigong way. So you can add your breath where you're breathing out, you're breathing in, breathing out, breathing in. And if you need something to focus on, just focus on your neck moving. You can kind of put your mind's eye there, going back and forth. You know, or you can say like I'm a turtle. I'm stretching out my neck like a turtle. Yeah. Okay, you can reverse the direction, so you're kind of scooping at the chin. You know, you're like that turtle there, scooping there. You know, looking for your next meal, maybe some jellyfish, you know, scooping the chin. Remember to breathe. You can breathe naturally if you want to, but if you want to, you can exhale and inhale as you come back in. Exhale as you go outward. Inhale. Okay. Let's do is kind of more of a rotation. We go to the side and you go to the other side. You can breathe in one way and exhale the other way. Breathing in and out. You get to one side, you kind of look with your eyes, you know, over your shoulder. You go the other way. Look with your eyes over your shoulder. Slow breathing. You can breathe in and out your nose, in and out your mouth. Breathe in your nose and out your mouth. It's more regulating, you know. Okay, we're gonna let our chins drop now and rotate to the side. One side here, and it's like we're breathing into this space here. So we breathe in, exhale, let our shoulder, our neck, our head roll down into the other side, and then breathe into the other shoulder space. Down and out. Inhale, down and out. Inhale, down and out. So traditionally you do about 8 or 9 repetitions each side. You could do less, you know, you could do, you know, sets of 3, sets of 6. If you're not used to doing this movement, you just kind of go a little bit more gentle into it. You can work up to 8 or 9 as you go. You can come back into like your neutral position here.